So we all open our books, please. And remember, when I double click, there's nothing else. Yeah, subject. But not a game or stuff like that.
And Magister.
And Magister can be there, but no games, no Facebook, no email, no stuff like that.
No Facebook. Oh my god.
Yeah, I do know what Facebook is.
No.
I'm not that old.
It's really verkeerd.
33. It's on page 151. And it was in the homework.
What?
Which exercise?
33. 33. Like on the board, in the schedule.
It was on the homework.
Oh,
It
yes.
was
I
no
have
homework.
questions about the homework.
Yeah, but this one was no homework as well.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
No.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh, I did 30. I did 34.
Yeah, it was 33. It was about fractions. What was the thingy called between the two numbers? Between the numerator and the denominator? How do we call that? All of you should know it. Yes? Almost? You're very close? It was line and what with divide? How do you call divider's value? Division line. That's very good, that's very close. If you look at them, what do you remember about if we have a negative sign in the numerator, so the top number, and the denominator? If they both have a negative sign, will it be positive or negative? If you divide negative by negative, will that be positive or negative? Yes,
Positive.
it will be positive, like always. Negative and negative, we get along very good, so that will be positive. If we have, for example, exercise F, 11 divided by negative 99. Is that positive or negative? 11 divided by negative 99. Who thinks it's positive? So all of you think it's negative?
Yes.
Yep. And why? Kim?
It's alone positive when you have two positive numbers and two negative
Yep.
numbers.
We have a positive number, a negative number, so we get negative. How much is 11 divided by 99?
9.
Negative
9, Laura?
negative 9.
How much is almost. Good question though.
Negative
11 divided by negative 99. Can that be 9? Right? Can that be 9? Or negative 9 in this case?
No.
No, why not?
Because negative.
Yeah, but can it be negative 9? 11 divided by 99?
No.
No, it's not, is it? Lisa?
You divide 11 by 99 and not 99 by 11.
Exactly. You divide 11 by 99, not 99 by 11. So what will I get? I will get negative what? Only a fraction. A fraction. I can simplify it. By simplifying it, I can divide numerator and denominator by the same number. By which number can I divide? Both of them. No? Yeah, I know. 11 and 99, I can divide them by the same number. Which number am I looking for, Nick?
11.
11. So which fraction will I get?
11 divided by 11 and
Yeah. How
99.
much is 11 divided by 11?
1
1. 99 divided by 11?
and 9.
9. So I get negative 1 over 9.
Oh, so you need to find a number that you can divide by.
Yeah, that's what we do with simplifying fractions.
Uh,
That's what we always do.
oh.
It's in the question, simplify the following fractions. You didn't get the
I
question?
didn't know. I didn't question because I thought it was 30.
Okay, you thought it wasn't in the homework. Okay. Well, 37 is to remember about multiplying fractions. It was not in the homework, but it's in the homework for tomorrow. Multiplying fractions, what will happen then? What will happen in multiplying fractions?
Is it the same as?
Multiplying fractions. For example, in 37a, we have negative 2 over 3 times 2 over 2, negative 2 over 3 times 5 over 11. What is always going to happen when I multiply two fractions with each other? What's the first test, second test? You multiply two fractions with each other. Everybody of you should know it. Because nobody of you scored a 1 on that test, so you should know it. We multiply two fractions with each other. What will happen? Sure, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. In this case, we have a negative fraction and a positive fraction. What will the outcome be? Positive or negative still?
Negative.
Negative. What are the numerators over here? Sydney, what is the numerator in 2 over 3?
6.
Numerator 6? In a fraction we have a numerator and denominator. The numerator is Camille. The 2, the numerator, and the denominator is Camille. 3. Numerator, denominator. The teller and the numerator.
You can see that in your book.
It's in your book as well. Yeah. Numerator times numerator will be like numerator times numerator. No, we just write down the negative.
Did you write
Because negative is never in a fraction.
10.
10 because we did 2 times 5 divided by
3 times
3 times 11 is equal to Matthias. Give the iPad out, please. 2 times 5?
10.
3 times 11? 33. And we should not forget about the negative side, so it should be in front. And that's how you do it. I would like you to, for the 5 minutes left, start doing 37, please. Exercise 37. And that's on for homework, so you don't have to do it at tomorrow.
This was
That's for tomorrow. A quarter left? Oh yeah, fair enough.
What?
We have done a quarter, 15 minutes left. Sorry,
Now can we
I
look
thought
chicken
fun was
or
over at 10 past. No, I want you to do 37 right now. Please. Thank you. Well, can you draw the next sheet?
Yes, but that's what I'm looking for.
Well, if I try every single time you see that, first you put that down there, then over here. So then we do the next one. Yeah. And you can do the next one. And then you count the number of fractions. And then try to find beta time. Then you are looking for words in progress. So you can read that already. You get the D and T. Yeah? And in simplifying fractions, you can write behind each other. Otherwise, I want to have it below each other. Simplifying fractions, you can write it like that. if you have a question, you can ask your neighbor as well. It doesn't have to be that side. How do you multiply positive and negative? How do you multiply each other? So what will the outcome be? Yep, the outcome will always be positive. No, because the negative times negative is always positive. It's very good for you. That's a fair answer. No, you can skip this now. Let's go back. It's just to get to know what you do. Is that about maths? No. Just copy what I did. Just copy. When you print it, you need to multiply sign. You know what that means? Multiply sign. It's just times. It's what it's done. If you multiply, fair enough. You need to multiply. You multiply negative positive. Multiply into numbers like positive, negative, neutral, both are negative. I multiply two negative numbers, the outcome be positive. There is negative, that's right. The outcome will be positive. And I'm numerator times numerator. Don't say so because what about you two? Had you write down a little bit more? Look what I did. I copied the exercise first. I just copy it and press calculate. Let's see whether you have it. That's why you have to do that. Matthias, you're finished? No? You're just dreaming? You can cooperate with each other. What's wrong?
I sleep in chocolate. And I'm very quick.
Almost. How much is 6 out of 20? Simplified. But that's good. Yeah. 3 out of 10. Very good. Yeah. Always simplest possible. Straight. Negative sign is there. Yeah. Yeah. Negative sign is there and the other one. Very good at using part. Very good. 5, 1 half.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know how I do it.
Okay. For tomorrow we'll practice some exercise on chapter 2. Okay. First, I had a question on those questions. I think they are close. Are we ready the first one? I think so.
Yes. I did not did this.
I'm going to explain it. I'm going to do one. I think the questions are about C.
Yes.
C or F. Let's do C first.
Yes.
3 minutes left, so we can finish it. 37C. It's 1 2/3. Multiply by negative 1/5. I want you to memorize a rule. We can only work with fractions if we work with fractions only. I'll come to that tomorrow. We can only work with fractions if we work with fractions only. The one over here is not a fraction. So we have to make it a fraction. How do we make this into a fraction? Oh, that's good. We have a lot of time. Yeah.
That is 2 meters.
Yeah.
5.
1 is equal to 3 over 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that's 3/3. 3/3, dus gelijk aan 1. And we have 2/3. So in total we have 5/3. 5/3. Multiplied by negative 1/5. Now we can just multiply numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. Fair enough? So we can only work with fractions if we work with fractions only. And in F, you have the number 5. What kind of fraction is the number 5? What kind of fraction is that? What's that?
5th. Steekje 5
5 over?
over 1.
5 over 1. If you want to make 5 into a fraction, it will be 5 over 1. Because that's equal to 5. Then you have a fraction, and you use numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Yeah? See now? Okay, there's only about 2-3 minutes left. I think you worked really well today. For next time, you are allowed to cooperate when you are doing homework. You're also quiet. That's not doable for one day, is it? It's a little bit too long to be silent, isn't it? Or you just like to be silent?
Silent.
Still. Oh.
You say so still. You can cooperate with each other. When you're talking with each other about maths, that's good.
It's really
That's good. Sure, it's not.
Tomorrow.
I got it?
Going to use the D1R.
I'm going to use the B1R. No, but you are allowed to cooperate. That's even good.
Wat is met
No, I have it off.
If you work with each other, if you explain something to each other, then you learn it even better.
I know what.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yes, I already.